Oh, this project is called Bedside Lamp. Have any of you ever gazed at your significant other and thought, I know what you really need? You need a Batman bedside table lamp. I know you need it. I know you all want to do that for your partners, so this is for you. These are really lovely little designs. You can make them in all sorts of different colours, and it's actually quite simple to make. But I've decided, for no other reason than to put myself under a ridiculous amount of pressure, I'm going to try and do all of this in 4 minutes flat. So I'm going to start the timer once I've got my model open. So the bases are about this big, so we want about 200 by 200 perspex, and that's what we're going to model. We're going to model the Batman sign. Now, that's about ready to go. Are we all ready to go? Here we go. Let's press play. Right, we're going to have an ellipse here, and we're going to make several copies of it. I'm going to just make them all inside each other, a bit there, and a bit there. And we're going to make some boxes to go underneath. This is basically, they're going to make the stand for the perspex. So I'm going to make that one. If I just select all of these, I can join all these together. And we've got the basis of our outside. Now, I'm going to make the Batman logo completely from scratch here. So we've got these outlines, and we can edit them in little bits. So we can actually add points, and we can remove points, and we can turn things into arcs and beziers and spans and all sorts of curves. So we can make it look really nice. So I'm going to do that, pull that down, and we're going to put a couple more points in here and here. There we go. And now we can start to really mess around. So can anyone see the Batman logo starting to take shape here yet? Okay, let's go into that. We're going to couple more points in here, and we're going to, this bit I really like. This bit looks really cool to me. We're going to put that along there. Let's just get rid of some of those points there and pull that up. How's that looking? Being a bit of a perfectionist, I don't know what my time says, but I'm just going to make one last adjustment to this. I'm going to select this one and this one and push it up. How's that looking? Is that right? Right, let's quickly make this thing. How much time have I got left? Oh, all right. Okay. That was a nice micro relax. So let's make some toolpaths. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to do the outline. So the toolpath is going to cut around the outside because we want to cut this completely out of the perspex. So I'm going to say how thick it is. Our perspex is 6 mil thick, so we're going to go 6 mil down, and I'm going to cut it out with a tool. That's going to do the cut, and then we're going to select these bits now, and we're going to use something called a diamond drag bit. The diamond drag bit is a tool that can scratch over the surface. So it doesn't actually go into the surface, you just run it on the top and scratch it. So we're going to do lots of little scratches with that. We're going to make that go 0.2 down. We only want to scratch the surface. If I calculate that now, yes. Toolpaths, let's simulate this. Oh, here we go. This is what it's going to look like. And one last bit, we're just going to get rid of this material on the outside so you can see the final bit. There we go. How are we doing? Fantastic, thank you. We've got a little video on how these were machined. Is really going to love that. She's really going to like her Batman table light. This project, the modeling time is about 20 minutes. The machining time is pretty quick. You're basically scratching the surface really close, so it can be up to 45 minutes. It depends on the complexity of the design. The materials, acrylic, perspex, LED base. The project cost was around about £40 to make 10 of these things, so it's quite a cheap but very cool gift that you can personalise for your family and friends.